Hi, I'm Larry with the Western Europe Service Team, and it's my pleasure to introduce to you our Huawei customer support services. Huawei has a vast portfolio of services for delivering complex solutions. Keys to our success include strong service capabilities and working closely with our partners. The support services in the run phase are vital for guaranteeing project success. Let's take a closer look at the Huawei customer support services available to you. Huawei customer support services are divided into three areas: technical support, software subscription and support, and proactive support. Huawei technical support services focus on product support, and they include HiCare, which are the Huawei branded support services that are delivered directly to end customers. They also include CoCare, which are the Huawei branded collaborative support services that are delivered to the Huawei certified service partners. Defective parts retention is targeted for data-sensitive customers who wish to retain a defective disk drive after obtaining a replacement. And the Huawei Safe City Solution Support Service provides faster location and resolution of complex problems found in multi-vendor product solutions. Huawei Software Subscription and Support Service enables customers to obtain the latest software with continuous professional support. Standard SNS includes many software service components, such as software updates, upgrades, and new features, as well as remote technical support. Advanced SNS includes an on-site engineer to perform software upgrades. Huawei provides 4 types of proactive support services. Key Event on Duty provides live assurance in public events such as sporting events, concerts, and conferences to ensure a secure and great user experience. Equipment Health Checks helps customers understand the operational status of their running systems and takes preventive measures to eliminate risk. Resident Engineer Support Service is for customers not having the maintenance skills or workforce. On-site Huawei experts can prevent serious faults and perform fast troubleshooting. Huawei's experienced IT outsourcing services help in coping with the increasing pressure on today's IT operations. Thanks for watching, and please do contact your local Huawei service representative and ask today about the Huawei customer support services required to best support your business operations.